Okay, my name is Brandon Tips with Roof MD. We're on the roof here at 550 Alarm Park Drive in Burns, Tennessee. Going to be doing a repairability test as requested by State Farm. We're going to attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. As you can see, there's a very obvious wind crease and the shingle is unsealed from the shingles underneath it. Going to be using industry standard tools today. Roofing flat bar can be purchased at any roofing supply house. For resecuring the shingles, we're going to be using a roofing hatchet and then just normal 1.25" roofing nails. So because this is a 3-tab shingle, we cannot see where the shingle starts and ends. So we're going to have to check the shingles around it as well as the shingles above it in order to see where we need to start to remove this shingle. We'll be removing the full 3-foot section and replacing it back with a new 3-tab shingle. So we're going to go ahead and start that process by unsealing some of the shingles around it. Okay, so edge of the shingles right here. So now we're going to remove over so that we can see where the nails are. And as you can tell, these shingles are incredibly brittle. The adhesive strips are popping without any issues. Just another sign that the shingles are past their useful life. Okay, the end of the shingle is right here. So we're going to go ahead and try to get some of these nails out. Brett, can you see this here? So this shingle tore right here. Cracked right there, just trying to get the nail out. We'll keep going. As you can see, pretty significant tear in that shingle there. And because this is a standard size asphalt shingle, not only do you have nails in the normal nail strip, but you've also got them in the headlap as well. So we're going to have to come up on top of these shingles and start to unseal them. You can already see the creases forming in the shingles above it, indicating that trying to repair this shingle is causing damage to the fiberglass mat as well as granule loss in these shingles above it. So now we're going to have to unseal these shingles, check and see where the remaining nails are. Okay, you can see this, Brett. Shingle tore even further. Just in this process, trying to get the nails out. Not applying any unnecessary pressure to the shingles. It's just the nature of trying to do a repair. Okay, this shingle is now free. So once again, this was the crease shingle, but in the process, this shingle tore here, also tore right here, and you can see the creasing in the shingles above it that's already started. You can see this very obvious crease right here. that's being formed just by trying to complete this repair attempt. So now we're going to take the new shingle. This is obviously not a color match shingle, but it is closest in size to the shingles that are here currently. So we're going to try to attempt to replace this damaged shingle with a new one. Now we'll go through the process of nailing the shingle in, and we're going to do the industry standard of 6 nails and see what we're left with. I'm going to lift this shingle off in order to get in the nail strip. Obvious creasing. Even more creasing. Even more creasing. Okay, so that is a repair attempt, and it's very clear that there is obvious damage to the shingles in the area. Just right here above it, you can see a very distinct crease and tear, and you can also see very distinct tears and granule loss in the shingles above it. Trying to complete this repair across this entire slope, across this entire roof is not going to be feasible, and it will leave this roof in worse shape than it was before the windstorms come through. So we're going to go ahead and mark this as a failed repair attempt.